explain the KDD process from data mining area, knowledge discovery in databases. What is data mining? As we know, we have rich in data but information poor. The data is seldom visited, that is, it became as data tombs. We never visit most of the data. So the data mining techniques are very much useful to make these data tombs as golden nuggets. So golden nuggets means useful information or the interesting patterns. What is actually the data mining? The extraction of interesting patterns or knowledge or useful information from huge amount of databases is called as data mining. What is not data mining? A query processing is not data mining, and export systems or small machine learning or statistical programs are not data mining. What is KDD process? How it is useful for data mining? So how this process is used for mining interesting patterns. So KDD means knowledge discovery in databases. The extraction of interesting patterns which are non-trivial, implicit, previously unknown, or potentially useful. Such information or interesting patterns from huge amount of databases is nothing but knowledge discovery in databases process. It is a procedure having 7 steps. So many authors proposed different synonyms for this process. So they suggested the names such as knowledge discovery in databases or knowledge extraction or data or pattern analysis, data archaeology, data brigade, information harvesting, business intelligence, etc. There are 7 steps in the KDD process. Step 1, data cleaning. Step 2, data integration, and data selection is step 3. Data transformation, data mining, and pattern evaluation and knowledge presentation. So what is data cleaning? The process of removing noisy data or fill the missing values from the data is nothing but data cleaning. What is data integration? The process of combining data from multiple heterogeneous data sources such as flat files, databases, or data warehouses, any other data sources is known as integration. What is data selection? So the third step is data selection. Here we are going to select the most relevant data, that is task relevant data. What kind of task we are going to perform, that relevant data we are going to select is nothing but data selection. Data transformation. All the data, whatever we selected, is not suitable for mining. We need to transfer the data into the suitable format depending upon what kind of application we are using. This methodology at this step is nothing but data transformation, transforming data into the useful format. Here we are going to, in data transformation, we are going to use the scaling techniques. So transforming large representation of data into very much more smaller representation, or we can say simply reduction. We are going to reduce the volume of the data into the smaller versions. Data mining. One of the most important step in the KDD process is data mining, which is very essential step in KDD process. So actually mining information from the huge amount of databases by applying different functionalities such as summarization, characterization, and data comparison techniques, classification methods, regression methods, association methods, clustering methods, outlier analysis. All these are the different kinds of functionalities we can apply to mine the data or the extract information. The summarization data, or for data comparison purpose, we have attribute-oriented induction algorithm. For classification, we have decision tree induction algorithm, Bayesian classification, and support vector machines, rule-based classification. These are the various kinds of algorithms used for performing the functionality classification. And regression, linear regression, non-linear regression can be used to perform the regression analysis. Associations such as a priori algorithm, FP growth algorithms are used for performing the associations. The K-means algorithm, K-medoids algorithm, and Clarence and Agnes, hierarchical methods, partitioning methods, all these are the methods applied for or algorithms used under the clustering methods, and similarly outlier methods. All these are the various functionalities used to mine the data. The sixth step in KDD process is pattern evaluation. All the data whatever we discovered may not be interested. Whatever we discovered, that discovered data is again a huge amount of data which is may not be interested. So that we need to mine the interested patterns by applying the interesting measures such as support, confidence, lift, various kinds of interesting measures are available. So apply these interesting measures for finding only interested patterns. Once the interested patterns are discovered, now we go for seventh step, knowledge presentation. The discovered knowledge is presented using various kinds of visualization methods such as pie charts, bar charts, curves, plots, tables, crosstabs, trees, etc. The entire KDD process is represented in the below diagram. Here, the bottom side we have databases, flat files, various kinds of data sources are there here. So all these databases can be used to mine. From these databases you are going to mine the interesting patterns or the knowledge. So initially you are going to apply the data cleaning for removing the noisy data or any filled values, or we are going to missing values, or we are going to fill by applying the data cleaning techniques and integrate these data. Now we have the data in the huge amount of data in the form of the warehouse. Now data selection and transformation methods, what we discussed in the above steps, will be applied for this data. The data selection is that what task relevant data will be selected and apply the data transformation techniques such as normalization, Z-score normalization and data selection methods. All these techniques are applied for data transformation purpose. Then the knowledge is mined by applying the data mining functionality such as classification, clustering, association, whatever we discussed in the previous step. So these functionalities applied to mine the data. All the data mined which is not interested, so that we have to apply the interesting measures such as confidence, support, lift, etc. measures are applied to find the only interesting patterns. Evaluating the interesting patterns is the next step. Then these interesting patterns are displayed or presented to the end user in the form of the knowledge, in the form of the trees, curves, crosstabs, and whatever user is required, the knowledge is displayed or presented to the end user in the required format. This is the concept of entire KDD process. And the architecture of data mining is used to perform this KDD process is shown here. So here also we are representing databases and the data warehouses. We have a server database or the data warehouse server. The data is from multiple heterogeneous sources is integrated and cleaned and filtered and put in the database server. Now the data mining engine is used. Here various kinds of functionalities are applied, such as data mining modules are used in the data mining engine for performing classification, association and various kinds of functionalities. Then the data is evaluated using pattern evaluation methods. Then with the help of the GUI, the knowledge is given to the end user. Here the user is asking the data mining query to the system and the system returns the knowledge to the end user. Meanwhile, background knowledge or the knowledge base such as concept hierarchies, these guides the pattern evaluation or the data mining engine. Thank you.